Hello everyone, hope you are. Today in this video, we will show you how to track Calendly booking from. So let's start. So first of all, we will just see this from is okay or not, right? So I'm just click this from. This is my testing website. Okay, then hopefully you can see this is Calendly from. Hopefully you can see. And first of all, I need a time select, right? So I'm just select time. Select them. Okay. So right now available this month time is 31, right? So this like I'm just select to 30 p.m. next and this code. Okay, so I need this schedule event all of thing track. That's why I need a first of all this is my tag manager, Google Tag Manager. So I need to just preview. First of all, we are checking is working or not. Okay, so just a minute. So already you can see my Google Tag Manager and my website connected. Then go to the event. When I click this time, just wait. And at this time you can see this time is not selected. Just close and select time. Then hopefully you can see same problem. Select time is not properly, and just fill up this requirement. Okay. 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 So hopefully you can see already this selected time is not fair. Okay. Then hopefully you can see just schedule event. Okay. So hopefully you can see you are scheduled, but not fire anything that right. So no problem. Right. So let's see how to working this. So I need a first of all listener code this from. Okay, so that's why tag configuration to new tag. So I need a custom HTML, then just paste here and this tag name is the HTML and trigger, try to select all pages and save. Then again try. Okay, so I'm just close this button and again preview. Okay, already a preview and same the time, just close this and I need a kind of booking, right? So I'm just click this page and I'm have this page right now. Hopefully you can see when I have this place, just one event is fire calendar, right? Just selecting calendar. Hopefully you can see that event is that alert. Hopefully you can see, yeah. Just event name is calendar, not hello, right? It's a just event type view. I'm just view this calendar from. Okay. Then when I select this time, hopefully you can see another event is fire. Like again, one event is fire, and this event name is date and time selected, right? Then when I fill up this from like just like phone number and chat. When I fill up, then same event fire, but this event hopefully you can see is different, right? This event is different because this event is event schedule. That means when I finish this from fill up and schedule, then hit. So no problem. Right now we are tracking this. So first of all, we need a one variable. That's why I'm just copy this variable because when I click is date and time selected, then current event is fire. When I finish date and finish date and time and event schedule, then this fire. When I view calendar from this event is fire. So right now, first of all, we need one variable. So I'm just creating a one variable. So new variable name is data layer variable because we are seeing is data layer. This even calendar event, right? So I'm just name calendar event. Okay, I'm just trigger. Okay, right now we need a trigger create, right? So I'm just trigger create, no problem. I'm just creating custom event and this event name is when I see my data layer and hopefully you can see this event name is calendar, right? So I'm just copy this calendar and I need a already I'm one variable, okay, right? So this name is calendar. So sorry, again we need maybe we are mistake something. So I just copy. Okay, this is CL and a trigger. So just one trigger create, and right now need a tag, right? So I'm just clicking new tag. Okay, no problem. So we are just checking copy one. So I need a tag, right? So I'm just go to the tag section and scroll up tracking. So this is an event and this name is custom. So same process, CL and calendar, right? This is a calendar form. I need a your Calendly event just selected. When you selected this, then all custom Calendly event is fine, no problem. So right now need a trigger. Just remove this trigger and add calendar trigger, and this is a calendar, right? So I'm just the calendar prompt and CL and just check and save. So right now we are just show you this is working or not. So let's see. So need a preview, just create a preview section. So hopefully you can see the website and this will definitely connected properly. So go to the calendar booking page, and I needed this tag is working or not properly. We have the see. Okay, right now hopefully you can see just HTML calendar from listener code is fired, but calendar from is not fired. So my calendar from name is so hopefully you can see every calendar tag is not fired. Okay, so because I'm not interact with this calendar, that's why. Okay, so just I'm visit this page, and hopefully you can see every calendar is fired. This one time fired. So what is fired? So I'm just checking. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, you can see this calendar from is just a view, right? So hopefully you can see that the data layer. And push, you can see just event type is bad because I'm just view this page. Okay, so right now I need a schedule, so just select this time, and hopefully you can see second calendar from is fired. Also this page is date and time selected. Okay, so I'm just go to the time, and hopefully you can see same event is fired. Okay, then we need a next schedule working or not. Test test. Okay, then hopefully you can see third calendar is fired. Also you need a data layer check is working. Yeah, date and time is fired. Also when I finished a schedule, then show is event schedule is fired. Okay, and also you can see tag is fired. So already see how to track this, and we can see properly, no problem. Also you need anything tracking like Google Ads conversion tracking, Scholar tracking, and Facebook conversion APIs tracking, e-commerce tracking. You can see this video. I'm already share some video. So if you need any service or any help, you can feel free contact me. Don't hesitate. I will help you my best. Thank you so much for watching for my video. Bye bye. Till then, take care. See you another video.